I'd like to show you my 1961 Corvette. The 4-speed, 2-top, white convertible top, and a white hard top. I have a battery shut off, so I want to turn it on. So we have power. It's the engine, it's all stock. It is a replacement engine, vintage correct. 283, 230 horsepower. Two previous owners prior to me had the engine rebuilt and the car refinished and refurbished back in the early 2000s. Okay, so here we go. I got the key. We'll go for a little ride on the road. I just wanted to show you, notice the emergency brake light works. Car's got 83,701 miles. I believe it is original. Fuel gauge, temperature gauge, battery, oil pressure, all works. Headlights, directionals. It needs a canceling cam on the directionals. They do work, but the canceling cam needs to be replaced. So let's go for a ride. Beautifully straight. Amazing bias-ply tires, kingpin in the front end, and you can see how nice it's tracking my hands are not even on the steering wheel. Pretty amazing. Very little play, if any, in the steering wheel. Shocks are good. Brakes are good. I just had the front brakes taken care of. I did the rear brakes a while ago. I don't put a lot of miles on this car, so it should last a long time. It's the original drum brakes. Alright, so again, this is my 1961 Corvette in Roman red with white coves. It's got Firestone bias-ply white walls that I purchased from Poker. Full stock. I've owned 5 of these over the years. 3 of them were 61s. I love the 61. It's the first year of the ducktail back, like the Stingray, and yet it still has the traditional C1 front. You'll notice the chrome is in nice shape. Original wheel covers. The paint finish is really beautiful on the car. There's a couple of very minor flaws which I'll point out to you as we go around the car. You'll notice the stock type exhaust. I purchased that from a company called Gardner in Old Hook, New York, I believe it's called. And they actually make pipes for Corvettes and muscle cars. And they have original General Motors and all the different manufacturers' blueprints. And they have original type exhaust pipes, mufflers, and tailpipes. This one has an off-road exhaust system. And it's just a little bit more of a flow-through, less baffles in the mufflers. And it's got a really sweet sound. No humming or anything, or a drone on the highway. Again, it's a 370 posi rear. So I'll show you a couple of the flaws on it. Down here, actually, these spears aren't perfect. The chrome is, you may want to change those. They're pretty inexpensive. Let me open the hood and I'll show you. Actually, if you look real close, you can see in the paint here, looks like a little bit of a mark or crack underneath the paint. There's also, looks like one little spider crack right here in the paint. Again, it was refinished back in around 2000. But it's held up incredibly well. I'll show you under the hood. Got 283 stock carburetor. The gentleman that had the engine rebuilt did put a little bit more of an aggressive camshaft in it. So it's got a little bit more of a lope to it than a pure stock. But it's quiet. I'll start it up for you. A couple other minor flaws I'll just point out. Nothing under the hood. It's got a new, I mentioned the new exhaust system. What else does it have? That's right, it has a new heater core on it, so the heat works fine. Everything's connected there. New water pump I had put on it at the time. New hoses front and underneath rather, and on top. And you'll notice they have the GM markings on them too. I have taken this to Corvette shows and it places all the time. That's because it's a nice pure stock car. It hasn't been modified. Again, right down here in the lower rocker, looks like it's nicked up a little bit here, right here. Got a little bit of a crack right here in the white paint. Again, these spears starting to turn the chrome a little bit. Let me start it up. Trunk is in nice shape. It's got the original board here, the original positive traction decal, the label rather, jacking instructions, has an original jack. Spare tire is brand new. I just bought that also. Matching